Have you ever daydreamed of a whole new life? Here's your chance to experience something truly extraordinary. Take a look at this remarkable place. Whether you're dreaming of a fresh start in business or a peaceful retirement, this could be the opportunity you've been waiting for. Nestled on the serene Isla del Jabali, an exclusive natural reserve along Patagonia's enchanting east coast in Argentina, you'll find a genuine masterpiece of architecture and nature. This stunning colonial-style estate, only a short stroll from the sandy shores of Bahia San Blas, presents an unmatched real estate prospect for those seeking a refined life embraced by wild landscapes. With nearly 300 hectares of lush pastures, the property is a home to a rich variety of wildlife, including wild boars, hares, and ostriches. A mix of wild and domestic horses graces the meadows. Imagine riding one of these majestic creatures to the sandy shores. Magic outdoor spaces of a charming garden of well-kept grass encircles the residence, hosting a sunny terrace and a generously sized heated outdoor pool. Here, you can unwind and savor the warmth of the sun while lounging by the poolside. Alternatively, if you're considering a new business venture, the possibilities are boundless. Picture a luxurious retreat for tourists, an exclusive sanctuary, or a renowned equestrian academy. This house could transform into a captivating resort where you can bring any of your dreams to life in a region where tourism is on the rise. Here is a floor plan of the property. Please be sure to request our PDFs for more details on the property. This estate is lovingly cared for by dedicated individuals who've nurtured it for years. Their care and devotion are ready to seamlessly transition to the new owner, ensuring that every facet of this paradise remains as enchanting as the day it was discovered. In Argentina, the price in US dollars per hectare has increased significantly over the past 40 years. For example, the land price in Bragado, also in Buenos Aires province, was 2,000 USD/ha in the 1980s and now has a sales value of 20,000 USD/ha. A next price jump is most certainly expected. This will occur due to a change of government at the end of this year. As a precursor to this, an appreciation of the Buenos Aires stock market is already noticeable. Another development is on the horizon, namely that Argentine banks will start giving credits for the purchase of productive land, which will even more result in a significant increase in the value of real estate prices in the coming years. Whether you're drawn to making this residence your forever home or pursuing a promising investment, the opportunities are left only to your imagination, from tourism, land for cattle, or growing crops with an existing aquifer, seeding possibilities, equipment, a large barn, and qualified plant for live animal processing. Let's explore the possibilities together, turning your dreams into a beautiful reality. Thinking of selling? Let us help you gain worldwide exposure. We are uniquely positioned through our global network to market your property to a worldwide audience, bringing you a captive audience and more to your bottom line. Contact us today at 951-315-3201.